These are the things that define what we do at Adar Dental Laboratories. Our passion is to change the world around us, one smile at a time. Our work begins with providing the highest quality products and the most innovative solutions that truly transform the people we serve. Our 40-plus years of learning and experience gives us the edge that makes Adar Dental not only innovative, but a dominator in the dental laboratory industry.
They look so good!
Our specialties in zirconia restorations and full mouth implant retained zirconia restorations give patients a superior aesthetic and functional smile of their dreams. We are able to provide this because of our never-ending tenacity in improving techniques and standards used in the industry, and by combining industry-leading technologies and our unparalleled human touch. Our vision is clear. We plan for the results even before the work begins, so that we can make the process simple and better for our doctors and their patients. Our craft speaks for itself. It shows our care, our passion, and our commitment to you. We are not just a dental lab. We teach and inspire. We have created the Adar Success Academy to help dental professionals learn effective planning and processes that make their businesses more predictable, profitable, and enjoyable. We love to spread our passion to others in the industry. We want to lift and inspire everyone. We want to change lives. Get the look at Adar. Come do great things.